Diamonds in the kitchen, peanut butter kisses. It's never been so easy to get out of bed. Stay a little longer, different kind of hunger. We both know what we long for is us. But now my sugar's been decreasing, and you don't feel so needy, honey. You've been missing from me. I've been sleeping through the time, and when I wake, don't feel alive. Do you see me on the pillow next to you? I need a shot, I need it now. Pain in my veins, need it back. Get it shine, not the good kind, fade to black. Much that has been changed now, worse than how it started out. I'm buzzing like a bee, you blow away. Sweetness changed for bitter, down the drain went all the glitter. I guess love just ain't so glamorous at all. But yet I really feel like trying. Maybe somewhere silver linings can be found if we both care enough. I need a shot, I need it now. Pain in my veins, need it back. Get it shine, not the good kind, fade to black. Need it back, 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 need it back. Smells like cotton candy, the gold that you can hand me. How rude to keep it all there for yourself. Like a crime, the sweetest taboo. I got hopes that you will stick to my skin like a tattoo. Can I stay here through the morning? I will lend you my hopes. So I ain't jumping through them. Trust that you will operate smooth. And I can almost see a future with us, like a soft, sweet melody with no rush. Sun and moon go hand in hand now. Oh, you make it seem easy, making me blush. You got a face, so do I. Let's not waste any time. I cannot wait till it is Friday. Let's collide. You got a face, so do I. Let's not waste any time. I cannot wait till it is Friday. Let's collide. You give me that rush, baby touch. You give me that rush, baby touch. You give me that rush, no baby touch. You give me that rush. Give me that rush, that kick, that high, that liquid honey. Give me butterflies, that no sleep, stay up through the night. Well, it ain't that hard when you're so fucking fly. You ain't had to offer, I was already sold. Got the looks of a killer and the eyes of gold. Yeah, I can be timid, but for you I'll be bold. And I don't know how you did it, but you're reaching my soul. Now don't feel pressured, but clear your schedule. We need to catch up on the things we haven't done yet. If I dare say it out loud, can I be honest right now? Might have taken us some steps, here we are, let's skip ahead. All where I would wanna be is in your bed right now. You got a face, so do I. Let's not waste any time. I cannot wait till it is Friday. Let's collide. You got a face, so do I. Let's not waste any time. I cannot wait till it is first